Hi guys, today we'll share our opinion on what type of hitch you should be using for your Volvo XC40. Right here we have the OEM hitch, and as you can see it comes in this type of bracket. A lot of aftermarket hitches get installed in place of the bumper beam, which you can see already removed here. It was used to be here, so a lot of them just get mounted on these three bolts, which are actually not designed to work as a hitch. They are only designed to hold this bumper beam, and in case of collision, that's all they do. In case of our original hitch, we have this mounting brake, which gets inserted inside the frame of the vehicle like this and gets mounted with these two thick bolts. I'll try to show you guys where they are. The two holes, so you see one hole right here and the other hole right here, and it gets secured with these two bolts. So this is how it gets installed, and then the hitch itself goes on top of these two studs. One more time I want to point out the difference in thickness of these studs, for example, compared to these ones and the ones that hold the mounting bracket. Obviously it's up to you to decide which type of hitch you want to use, but we are quite certain that the OEM Volvo hitch will follow all the safety requirements for this vehicle. And this is one of the main reasons why we decided to go ahead with the OEM hitch for our XC40. Another quick note, in case if you decide to install the hitch yourself, there's basically no difference between the OEM and the aftermarket. The installation will be very similar, it's all in the same area. Well, yeah, that's our opinion on the two types of hitches that you can install on XC40. Let us know in the comments which one do you have, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.